Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about how Microsoft has been making improvements to their popular chatbot Bing. In just the last week, Microsoft has made strides in both how the AI handles traveling-related queries and recipes. In a recent blog post, Microsoft said they've improved Bing's accuracy when it comes to citing sources, meaning that when you look up recipes, Bing citations will direct you to an original recipe source on the web rather than to Bing's own website. This is not only helpful for users, but also helps avoid poaching traffic from other sites. Beyond this, Microsoft has also reduced the number of end-of-conversation triggers that you may have experienced with Bing, meaning that chats will be less likely to end prematurely with the AI saying it's "Sorry, but it prefers not to continue this conversation." These profound improvements with Bing might leave some of us wondering what kind of development Google's own chatbot, Bard, is receiving. We know that Bard is also getting improvements, such as helping the AI's variety of responses and general performance. Rumor has it that staff members are being redirected from Google Assistant over to Bard in order to give it greater attention. All in all, it's great to see both Microsoft and Google taking the necessary steps to make the most out of their chatbots and deliver the best possible user experience. We look forward to seeing how their development progresses in the future. That's all we have time for today. Be sure to check out our other YouTube videos.